in 3, 2, 1, go!
Playoff match number 8, 3 versus 2 of the upper bracket. 604, 971 come out the winners of that scrum in the center of the field. That causes 74-19 to miss their auto. But 604 and 971 going back for more. They're grabbing more fuel and putting them up into the hopper. In the meantime, 74-19 is continuing to shoot, and their human players are shooting. But with the robots on the Red Alliance, a 40-point advantage for the Red Alliance. Blue Alliance shift is first, so Red Alliance has to act quickly if they want to get some scoring during this transition shift. Instead, we're going to see the Blue Alliance starting to score. 74-19 putting up a ton of fuel. 74-13 goes jumping over the bump and now lies motionless as they were trying to defend 74-19. We're going to have to see if that crash did something to their robot. Blue Alliance 24-73, they're helping to funnel fuel back to the Blue Alliance side. But as the blue shift ends, the red shift begins, and the red shift, both 971 and 604 are getting heavily defended by 87-93. They're trying to prevent 604 from having those easy shots. But it's very difficult as 604 is tall and they have a turret. So 87-93 can only hope that they can defend. Now they're going after 971 with a couple seconds left. It's now the Blue Alliance's turn once again. 74-19 just putting up fuel after fuel after fuel. They're gonna have to go pick up more though and start their cycling once again. Meanwhile, 604 is taking all the fuel that 74-19 just scored and channeling it back to their alliance zone for when their shift starts. 74-19, they're aligned and ready, but they're not scoring any fuel. Let's see if any come out of the robot. Not in time. So the Red Alliance gets to take over again. 604, a stream of fuel coming out through that turret. Now 87-93 lifting up 971 because they're stuck on a fuel. We'll have to see how 971 recoups. But now they have a full hopper, and I'm going to aim at that hub. And they score a bunch of fuel. Same with 604, despite the heavy defense of the Alliance captain, 87-93. Endgame starts. Both alliances can score now. 74-19 taking advantage of that, shooting long-range shots with their turreted shooter. 971 has to go collect more fuel because they're starting to run out on their side of the field. 604 has some left in their robot. They're putting it up with about 10 seconds remaining. Lots of fuel being scored. We'll have to see what the final scores come out with 4 seconds left. Any last second climbing, 2, 1. And that's the match. Scores. It's going to be the Red Alliance. The Red Alliance takes it home with a score of 381 to the Blue Alliance's 117. Red Alliance moving on to the final match of the upper bracket. The Blue Alliance, they're not going away. We'll see them in a couple matches in the lower bracket.